Today we're testing out the Einhell, yes, the Einhell electric paint sprayer that comes right from an Aldi store, yes. Now this does retail at £39 right now, that's 47 in US dollars. This is indeed the BT-FSS 500 model, which can indeed be used to spray fence panels too. So basically it has an adjustable jet with 3 settings, adjustable paint volume control, good for indoor and outdoor use, which should provide a good amount of coverage with one single paint tank. Or at least we hope so when we test it out shortly. So inside the box, we are provided with a very basic user manual. Guys, please make sure to give this a thorough read, as some indoor paint may need to be thinned in order to use it with this gun. Now in order to keep the spray gun intact and nicely cleaned, we are provided with a cleaning brush, a measuring container to measure the viscosity, a nozzle tip spanner. There is one additional nozzle supplied. That's 3 in total for different types of paints. Now we do get a nozzle cleaning needle, an extra spray tube for that additional nozzle supplied, and yes, here we've got just one of 2 paint tubs. This one being a 900ml tank, which is the smaller of the 2, that is already screwed in place on that secondary spray unit. As you can see just here on the paint jet, it does have those 3 adjustable settings, with a secondary nozzle already fitted in place upon the jet, with an adjustable paint volume control too. Now on the secondary tank, which is a 1200ml tank, it's the same as the smaller tank. You have all those adjustable settings, a 3rd nozzle already in place, with, you know what, a very nice feeling trigger. So this Einhell electronic paint sprayer, as mentioned, it is 500 watts. It has a big hefty fan to the rear to help suck through the air to push it right through to the front of the paint sprayer. As you can see, there's that trigger to the front, a very simple to use locking mechanism with a nice rubber coated handle that is, by the way, very well weighted with a good length of cable attached to it. Yes. But how are we going to test this out today? We're simply going to spray a few fence panels and we're going to see how long it takes. So we've actually painted a few panels in the past couple of months, and it did in fact take us about 6 hours to get a full coat over around 8 to 10 panels. Now we did go ahead and give a 1 uniform application to each one of the fence panels. It did come in handy that we have that step paint volume adjustment. It does advertise that it gives a professional finish with ease, but that is when you're only paying attention to detail and you're spraying very patiently. If you do go ahead and use it quite fast, you will more than likely come back to the same panel and need to do a second coat. The flow rate with this 500 watt Einhell electric paint spray gun is 100 mils a minute, so you won't have any worries when swishing it left and right. The spray jet comes out quite evenly. You can adjust it to do it vertically or horizontal, just to be more precise in those tight corners when spraying up towards a fence post that doesn't need painting. But you know what, we was really surprised how well it performed. Now again, this gun might act differently when using, say, house paint. But as daunting as fence painting is, using a basic brush, this spray gun today definitely helps reduce the time. Okay, you might need to touch up a few areas, but overall, I've got to be honest, I'm quite delighted. Not only that, it is very easy to clean too. Once you've emptied the paint from the tank, wash it and put some water in the tank. You can easily spray through the jet, cleaning the inner nozzle and using that cleaning tip and brush to make sure that there's no blockages. Now once again guys, if you're going to be using house paint, look on the side of the tin. Some paints don't have to be thinned, but my advice, try to get a thinner, thin down your paint, otherwise you might have problems blocking this Einhell paint jet sprayer. Now for example, if we're looking at a 5 foot by 6 foot fence panel, you can easily spray 6 of them within 20 minutes. And trust me, that time goes real fast. Obviously, if you do want a better finish though, you should take a bit more time just to get into all the nooks and crannies. But overall, this just saves you a big amount of time to enable you to do more activities on a Sunday, yes. Like, you know, going to church and stuff like that. Now I'm going to be truly honest, I didn't think that this spray gun would perform as good as it did. For the price, I definitely can recommend it. As scores go though, we are going to rate this a 9 out of 10. We didn't really find much of a problem with this gun. I do wish that cord length was a bit longer, but it's nothing that an extension lead won't resolve. Now I will leave a link in the video description down below where you can go ahead and check the Aldi store out for yourself. Now I don't know about the rest of the world, but in the UK, the stores are almost on every corner. So nip down today and take a look for yourself, that is, if they're still in there. And if you've liked what you've seen within this video, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video today, I'd very much appreciate it. Most importantly though, please support this channel by subscribing right now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been fantastic doing this review this week. It's a bit different than the other tech reviews that we've done in the past, but we hope to be doing some more interesting tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!